Hi, this is Bob at Don's Appliances. I'm here to help you decide what's best for you in washers and dryers. Top load units or front load? So let's take a look at a top load unit here for a second. These are the traditional washers that we've had and our parents have had for ages. They're good, reliable pieces and they do a great job of washing your clothes. Okay? However, front loads, which is a little bit newer in design for residential use, are a little bit more efficient and do a better job at washing your clothes. Now, why would you choose a front load over a top load? Well, several things. They have a larger capacity, you can put larger things in here. The other thing is that they use less water and they have options that can speed up the wash cycle if you're in a hurry. More importantly is because they have a horizontal axis as opposed to a vertical axis like you'll see in a top load unit, they can spin much, much faster. These things can spin at about 1,300 RPMs. Why is that important? Well, here's the thing. Most people don't know this, but your washer isn't the energy hog. It's your dryer. Dryers typically cost 4 to 5 times as much a year to run as a washer. So when the clothes come out less wet or drier, they spend less time in the dryer, saving you a lot of money. The only downside compared to a top loader is that they tend to be a little bit more expensive. And let's face it, who wants to always get down on their hands and knees to reach into these units? To make them more comfortable, we do offer pedestals, but that does increase the price. So you're paying more for a front load, and if you want the convenience, you also have to pay for a pedestal. Here's your traditional machine. However, a number of years ago, the government mandated these machines use less water and energy. So you've got a big drum here, but if you notice, see where these holes stop? That's where the water stops. Ideally, in a high efficiency wash, you're going to be using about 6 to 8 inches of water. So most loads are going to be about this tall, and you're going to be tumbling these clothes through a small pool of water. Now, not everyone wants to have a half load or a small load of clothes. So the industry did do some things to help you do a larger load. This unit has a deep fill option. You can put more water in this unit if you want to. So now instead of washing your clothes in a small pool of water, you can get the full effect of a fuller load. So that's more towels, bigger bed sheets and comforters, and you can put more clothes in a washer when you do a deep fill. Now, what's the trade-off? Traditional machine, good functionality. However, these work best in a high efficiency setting, so you are washing more often. They also take a little bit longer to wash your clothes than a traditional front load unit does. Keep in mind, there's 2 ways they make top load washers. This is the more traditional style with the agitator. We do have units that don't have the agitator. Units that don't have an agitator don't wash large loads as effectively as one with the agitator. The nice thing about the agitator is if you do have a full load, this agitator moves the clothes down to the impeller where all the work is being done. So when you're considering looking at high efficiency machines, if you go a high efficiency top loader, know that you're going to be using less water and you'll be doing more loads. With a unit that has an agitator, that allows you to do a deeper fill and put more clothes in a load. In the long run, it's really up to you in terms of what you want. If you want to spend a little bit more money, you're going to get a great wash with a front load unit. If you want to save a little bit of money, know that you can do more clothes effectively in a high efficiency unit with an agitator. I hope this helps you make a better decision when you're coming to shop and buy a washer or dryer.